what are some of the, or pick one, innovations that you're sort of excited about in terms of how your business is coming to market?
Yeah, so this year we installed new washers and reversing dryers, which allows us to dry everything much quicker. This increased our capacity by about 40%. We also installed new auto-injecting chemical pumps so that we're not hand adding any detergents, especially for all of our residential accounts, which is really growing a lot.
Outstanding, great. Kelly, when you say innovation, what comes to your mind?
We, once we opened our closed facility, we purchased a Voltex, which helps us streamline our employees, not necessarily downsize, but it helps us make more use of them. We just purchased a Continental ironer, so that allows us to go out and get additional business streams to our business. We are currently in the process of retooling our washers at our closed facility as well. So we're hoping that with all our current and future items, we're going to be able to move a lot faster and just use our system a lot more efficient.
Okay, so I'm hearing a lot of like reinvesting, like you're putting the capital at work to make sure that you can handle the volume, do so efficiently. Ross, what does innovation mean to your business these days?
Well, similar with the facility, we have the auto injection, and then we also got ozone in this new facility. I think for us, we continue to try to streamline how we handle customers and handle new commercial inquiries to try to flow it through an answering service. And then I'm interested in still kind of dipping my toes in bringing more AI into the chat flow for either the website and ordering. So we're working on that stuff to try to bring down our overall payroll and how much has to come to me.